Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be getting ready, doing my makeup just for funsies, but also because the Sephora sale is coming up and I have to show you all my faves, my restocks, what I recommend for you to purchase if you want to. These are my tried true, my real products that I absolutely love, that I've repurchased every year or have a lot of. So if you want to see me get ready, keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I unfortunately don't have a base product that I love that is from Sephora. They're from Ulta. So I will be getting started with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, which this is like probably my second bottle, second or third, I've lost count. But I absolutely love this primer. I was recommended this primer from a girly. I went to Sephora one day and I was like, I need help. Nothing sticks to my face and I need something that's hydrating. I'm a combo skin girly and I have an oily T-zone but like dry cheeks. So I was like, I need help. And she recommended me this one and I have never gone back because I just keep finding time and time again that this product works. So I honestly just put it all over my face and my nose area as well, even though I wear glasses and I don't ever put makeup on my nose, but just for my nose not to feel left out, I always put it in that area as well. So the next product that I go in with is my Rare Beauty gel, and it doesn't even say Rare Beauty anymore because that's the part that I don't really like, is that the Rare Beauty label thing takes off really easily. This gel is so nice. Right now my eyebrows are oily, so with that I'm gonna put this. It doesn't even have that much anymore, but I'm gonna get what's left from there and add it to my eyebrows. I kept trying and this one already finished. Luckily, I have another one as backup because I just knew that one was gonna run off. This is a new one. It literally says Rare Beauty on my eyebrows. The other one had no product on it, but this one does. It's already feeling very sticky on my brows. And so you see the difference. I really like this eyebrow gel because it tends to really glue my brows in place, and by the end of the day, usually I put this when I go to work, so my 9 to 5, 9 to 6, by the end of it my eyebrows are still intact and there's no flakiness, which I love because I've used other ones and they're always very flaky. So this one by Selena Gomez, Rare Beauty, but this one is so good and I plan to repurchase it. Now it's getting a little too popular, so every time that I do go to Sephora, they have sold out. So hopefully this time when I go, I can get my hands on it. Going into the Rare Beauty train, the next thing that I will be using is the Rare Beauty concealer. This one I don't put it on my face, instead on my eyelids. So as a way for me to set my eyes and get them ready for eyeshadow. So I let that dry and my primer is already pretty much tacky, and so I'm gonna go in with my favorite all-time skin tint. I love the skin tint and I've realized that less is better because this one can get a little cakey if you put a lot. So this one is the Say Beauty skin tint. It has 35 SPF sunscreen, and this also doesn't say what shade it is, but I am shade 5. I have a peach undertone. So I actually got shade matched by the Say experts. If you DM them a pic on Instagram, they like shade match you, and they shade match me to 5 and it's my perfect shade. So I love this one and I tend to use it all the time because I just hate the feeling of foundation on the skin. A little bit like that. On my forehead, One thing I'm gonna say is that the brushes that I'm using, the three main brushes that I use are not at Sephora. One of them, which is my bronzer brush, I found at Marshall's, and the other two are Real Techniques. First, I will like blend in my skin tint, so let's go ahead and do that. Like, just look at the skin tint, it's literally my shade match. It's like disappeared into my skin. And I did mention that I was oily, so you will see that my forehead and certain parts of my face are very oily, but just wait till the setting part, like it will look much better. This is also not from Sephora. This is my favorite sponge, but this is from e.l.f. So not at Sephora, but still very, very good. I haven't even cleaned it, but don't mind that. And then now I will be going in to my eyelids and making sure to blend that in properly. So you see how beautiful all of this is starting to look. This is why I love all of these products combined together. For my shadow, one of my favorite shimmery shadows that I own is this little stick by Rare Beauty. I have lost the bottom. I don't know where it is. It must be in my bag. I tried to find it and I couldn't. But this color is like a very brown shade. I really like this because it's like you could apply it on the go. Make sure to smoothen it out, to blend it a little bit. It just looks 10 times better. I really like these because if you're in a rush, you could just quickly apply it and you could blend it on your eyelid, and then you have a pretty shimmer that lasts all day. Yeah, so to me, I find that really easy to do. It takes less than 2 minutes, and you can apply it, put it on with a brush, or I use my fingers and just kind of smoothen it out. For the next step, I'm going to take my little contour, and I love these two again. This is Rare Beauty. So I have On the Horizon, and then I have Full of Life. Full of Life is a little warm on me. I mean, it looks a little brown here, but in real life, it looks very orange. And so I will be putting this one on because I like how it looks at night. But this one, which is On the Horizon, this one's a little darker. And this one goes well, especially in the morning or in the afternoon. It just reflects nice on the skin. I really like that they're very smooth. They tend to glide really well on the face and they look so smooth and natural. I don't put any on my nose, and I also don't put anything on my jawline. I just let it do what it do. And I saw a TikTok that said dab it up, so it's what I'm doing. And I just really like how it looks. It looks a little messy at first, but honestly after, it'll look 10 times better. And this top part will look a little too orange, but we will fix it up later. The next thing that I will be going into is blush. It wouldn't be a spring look if there's no blush. My favorite blush is from Say, and it's a pinky blush, and this one is called Sweetie, and it's very thick, so once you like grab it out of the bottle, it comes out with a lot of product. And so I usually dab it out, just making sure I'm kind of placing it right here. Cool. This brush and blush combo is so cute. I love Say. Like, they're such a good brand and make such good products. And you gotta overdo it with the blush. Like, come on, if you're not overdoing it, what are you doing? Blush blindness all spring for sure. Setting powder. I love the One Size setting powder. The translucent shade is like no other. I love that one. But I couldn't find it when I recently went, like a couple months ago. So I ended up getting Sweet Honey, and it's like kind of close to my shade, but I don't entirely love it. You know, I love translucent because it makes me look a little whiter, and this one makes me look kind of like just my shade. and I just like the brighter effect. So this is what it looks like. I'm not trying to drop it. And then I'm all ready to go under my eye, and it just sets so beautifully. That's why I love it. And around here, also, I can't forget my forehead. Like, that's the part that gets the most oily. So I just make sure to put on so much of this powder, and it just helps gets rid of the oiliness. And also go in my nose because, like I said, I don't use makeup, but it still gets very oily. I'm going to use my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. This product right here is too good. I'm like, why is this bottle so small? I need a bigger size, like double it up. I'm almost done with this, and I'm just gonna use my last spray on this video. So it's okay. It's okay. I'm doing it for y'all, but I'm also doing it for me. So I could go buy more. Besties, I think we're done. It's not coming out anymore. Basically. Nothing came out of this, but it's fine. And this is what my face looks like so far. I'm gonna let it set a little bit because the Charlotte Tilbury did wet my face a little tiny bit. Oh my god, and I missed one important spot. I honestly love to clean up the area under the bronzer, so I always go underneath here and make sure to clean it up entirely with powder. Yay! It's looking so much better right now. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite powder blush. This is She. This is She. She is House Labs by Lady Gaga. This is my first one that I bought when they had the old packaging. I got it right when they dropped it, and I still have it. It hasn't hit pan yet, and I want it to hit pan. Today we're gonna go overboard. Okay, I'm also putting my glasses back because I was looking at the camera and I know where the camera is, but I just can't see. So I don't want to mess up my lip combo. This lip combo is gonna eat. I just have to tell you that. This Sephora lip liner, I recommend it forever. These are the Rogue Gel. This was in the shade 35, which is Bad Apple. It's like a maroonish shade. Okay, this is She. This is the lip liner. I just sometimes struggle because I'm like, I don't want to overline them a lot. The last one that goes on top is my Summer Fridays lip balm. These two right here, this is in the shade Pink Sugar, and this one's my all-time favorite, this brown one right here. This one's called Iced Coffee. I'm definitely restocking this one. I think because we're on the theme of spring, we're gonna go with Pink Sugar. I really like the smell. Ooh, yes. That is the finished look with all my favorite products that I entirely love. Now I want to just finish up the video by giving you all some of my favorites that didn't make it into the makeup category, or that I just didn't have but I still recommend. For a minute I blanked out. I didn't know where my Sephora app was, but I have 10 things in my cart. One thing that I need y'all to understand is you need to apply sunscreen. If you don't, you're missing out. And if you need one, trust me, you have to try this Innisfree sunscreen right here. This one, y'all see that? My phone quit playing with me because why is it raising the brightness? But I recommend the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Invisible Broad Spectrum SPF. It has 36 sunscreen, and that one is so good. I really like that sunscreen, and it has like no white cast, and it also is long lasting and smells good. I could still use that sunscreen with makeup because it just goes on really smoothly, does not cause flakiness. I know a lot of sunscreens do that. Oh, this product right here. There's a product that is by Sunday Riley. Before trying them out, I just did not even go there because the products are so expensive. Literally, the one that I'm going to recommend is probably the most expensive one on my shopping cart. B3 Nice 10% Niacinamide Serum. That one's literally $65. That's crazy. But hear me out. That one did clear up my face a ton. Like, if you see a few of my dark spots, that is just dark spots from pimples that I had and that they stayed. It's basically a dark mark. But I had worse dark spots like a few months ago, and I was like, I can't even find a single thing to help me until I tried this niacinamide from Sunday Riley. And the only reason why I tried it was because it came in a set with like 3 or 4 other products, and I really saw the effects. They were really fast and my face cleared up, and it looks even better now. But I really want to try the bigger bottle of the niacinamide since I had a very tiny bottle in the set, so I want to grab and snatch the bigger bottle. Oh, this is not makeup, but it is a lathering body serum that has retinol and AHAs. I'm not sure what AHAs, that is a tongue twister, but I don't know what that is. But basically, it's from Topicals. It's a purple bottle, and I suffer a lot from acne. Like, body acne has always been a struggle. Like, I've been trying my best and my hardest to tackle it ever since I was a little girl. And I think now it has gotten better because of certain like acne treatment or like serums or lotions that I've used, but nothing has been as helpful as the one that I found by Topicals. It has worked and it has great reviews as well. And Topicals is a brown owned, black owned business. Why wouldn't we want to support it too? Also, not something that I want to recommend because I haven't tried it out, but if you have, I want to hear your thoughts on the Haus Labs foundation because I've heard so many good things about it, but I don't know how it looks on the skin. I'm probably just gonna get a test, like a little sample from Sephora, and then bring the sample home and maybe go back and get it. I don't know. Yes, that was it. That is all for this video. I had so much fun making my own styled spring look. This is what I do during the spring. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see any other style like makeup videos, and I will gladly try to do them. I hope that you find something that you like here and that you get to try it out. I'm not trying to spend too much at Sephora. Like, I just have a $100 gift card, and I've been saving it because I want to use it. I've been saving it since Christmas, and I'm gonna use that. And I'm probably gonna spoil myself a little bit just because my birthday's in April and the Sephora sale is in April. So yeah, that is all. Thank you so much for watching again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye friends, love ya.